nasty out here. And there's your scene kit.
The detail. That's a magnetic piece.
Mm-hmm.
It's like interchangeable parts. Look at it. Look at Zayden and his snake bites. Look at him making a rawr face at you. Nice.
And then we'll put this.
Dude, how does it feel? Like, what's the heft on that thing? Is it premium? Like, does it feel like...
Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's good enough that you can like carry around stuff. Alright, that's this part.
That's Zayden.
And part 2.
Oh, we got an improvement on the packaging. Round 2, Binky Cupcake. Oh,
this one just opened this Friday.
oh, sweet. All right, we improved our improved the packaging. Sick enamel pin again. What was that, cloth?
Yeah.
Another sweet Scene Kid sticker. Because these are the Scene Kids. These are the first 2 dropped from the collection.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's gnarly, dude. Look at that paint job, too. Sheesh. What a beaut.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And here's the kicker. I'm not entirely sure Rob knows who CiRCUS HEaD is. So here's the reveal. It's someone we know.
Really?
The creator of the Scene Kids. CiRCUS HEaD is... Well, I think if he were here, he would say, "What's up to you?"
Ah!
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Good times.
Thanks, Brian.